In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Air Canada promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up Air Canada promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna go over to this website, CouponFollow. So once you're here, you're gonna see many coupon codes. So the first one is get a 15% off your next flight. So all you have to do is click on it, and it's gonna show you a code. So all you have to do is click copy. Once you have copied the code, you can click continue to Air Canada. It's gonna take you to their website. You can book your flight, and then once you're about to pay, you can use this code at checkout, and it's gonna give you a 15% discount on whatever the total amount is. Well, there are many other codes here. So for example, save up to 15% with this code. So this is the code for getting a 15% off, so you can try this as well. Another code for saving 20%, so save 20% at Air Canada, and that's the code for that. As you guys can see, there are many codes. For example, there are many 20% saving, the 20%, 20%, 25. So you can give it, let's say one doesn't work, you can always try the other ones as well to see whether they work. Now I'm going to head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to this website, rethrift.com. So once you're here, you can see many codes. So the first one is 80% off. So as you can see, the success rate is not that high. So it might not work for you, but it might work as well. So you can always give it a try. So you can click show code, and the code's gonna show up. That's the code monthly, and you can go and use it at checkout. And you can explore many other codes. For example, 15% off, 15% on all flights. So as you can see, this has a very high success rate, so it's likely that it's gonna work for you. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.